In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from a Dropbox link. This process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to access your files easily. Let's get started. First, click the Dropbox URL you received. This link might come from an email, a message, or a shared note. Once you click on it, your browser will open a page that displays the file. This step is crucial because it takes you directly to the file location. You may see different file types such as documents, images, or even folders. If you encounter any issues opening the link, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Next, look at the top right or top left corner of the web page preview. Here, you will find important options related to downloading your file. The layout may vary slightly depending on your browser, but the buttons will always be in these corners. This is where you will find the download options to proceed with your file transfer. Being aware of your surroundings on the page is essential for a smooth experience. Now click the download button, which often looks like a downward-facing arrow pointing to a horizontal line. This button is usually very prominent and easy to spot. When you click it, the download process should begin. This action signals to Dropbox that you want to download the file you're viewing. It's important to click this button as it initiates the entire download process. If a drop-down appears with options, select Direct Download if prompted. This ensures you get the file without any added steps or complications. Choosing the direct download option can save you time and streamline the process. It's always good to know what options are available to make your download as efficient as possible. If a pop-up window appears asking you to create an account or sign in, simply look at the bottom of that window and click No Thanks, Continue to Download. This option allows you to bypass the sign-up requirement and start your file transfer immediately. This is a handy feature because it ensures that you don't need to create an account just to access files shared with you. You can enjoy quick access without any barriers. Once you click to continue downloading, you should see a progress indicator on your screen. This shows that your file is being downloaded. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, this may take a moment. It's a good idea to keep an eye on this progress so you know when the download is complete. You will be reassured by the visual feedback that confirms the download is in progress. After the download completes, you will typically find the file in your Downloads folder. If you're using a web browser, it may also show a notification at the bottom of the screen. This notification acts as confirmation that your file has been successfully downloaded. If you do not see it immediately, check your browser settings to ensure it's directing downloads to the correct location. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to download files from Dropbox links effortlessly. Following these instructions, make sure you can access shared files without hassle. Thank you for watching and enjoy your files.